this material world, and we will remember your great memories tonight. So, the family and friends, mag-offer po tayo ng flower offering po tayo ang next natin. And as we offer our flower to Erlinda, we should say a little a prayer for her eternal repose and say goodbye to her. So, immediate family member muna ang mag-offer ng flower.